Hi guys, we're back, and this time we're back with the absolutely stunning Akriti Kakkar from India. After this wonderful performance at the Shankara Soundloy concert at the Royal Albert Hall on Saturday. So, tell me, how does London feel after?
It's actually feeling like home outside home right now because I have a whole lot of relatives, and even if I discount the fact that I have relatives and friends here, the kind of love that I got at the concert, being on the same stage with those three fabulous musicians, it was just unbelievable. The kind of love that we get abroad is hundredfold as compared to how much we get back there in our own country. So we all artists are very, very greedy when it comes to love, so we love it.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to congratulate you because that performance, I'm sure everyone will agree,
Absolutely fantastic.
absolutely fantastic. And you know, the Kajrara in the end,
Yeah.
I think all the guys were dreaming about it all night afterwards.
Thank you. It's just a lot of fun, being there, and the energy of that hall is something else. It's just something else. It's really like a dream come true for most of us to just enter those premises, and what more can you ask if you actually get to go and perform there? And we were told that the audiences were never seen like that before inside that auditorium, that hall. Nobody had seen people getting so mad and so excited and jumping around and dancing and whistling and all of that. So I'm going to take back some very, very lovely memories. Everything from a senorita to Kajrari to that unplugged thing that we did. I had a lovely time.
What was your most memorable moment of the show? And if there was a moment you could take back from that show where you almost sort of maybe felt a connection with the audience, or you maybe brought back a certain memory, or you maybe thought back to a certain part of your life where you thought, at one point I was X years old or whatever. What was that point?
See, for this show, if I actually talk about this one special moment, when we were singing Sajda, and those beginning ad-lib lines, Roam, roam, tera naam pukare. When I was singing that, my eyes were completely shut. And I was facing the audience, and Shankarji was on my left side. And when I'm supposed to finish my part is when the music sets in, and the song begins. The music hadn't set in by then, and I opened my eyes and I looked towards the left, and Shankarji was looking there and he said, "Kya baat hai?" And then everybody applauded. So that was I think my moment. That was my moment. I just will remember it for a very, very long time. And I think the kind of response that everybody was giving from the word go, from the very first song until the end, it didn't seem like they were tired of dancing or they were tired of listening to Bollywood stuff, or I think even at the end of it they wanted more.
Of course, I think the second half ended a bit too quickly.
I know. We really wished it was, we could play for a little longer, because even if, I often joke around with Shankar and Sanoy, tell them even if you have a 4-hour long show, we'll still not be able to complete your set. You have such fabulous songs, you can go on and on.
It's sad to hear. I heard the AMC, the funding was in class, isn't it? Do you want to tell us something about that?
I won't really know. I've heard about it, but it's really sad if that's happening, because there are a lot of Asians here, there are a lot of Indians here who crave for this kind of music and these kind of performances, and we as Indian artists know how a lot of people love to come here to perform because of the kind of love they get from all these people here. They're actually deprived of such performances. So if the funding, etc., are chopped down, we won't have scope of such performances on this bigger scale. And ultimately, the Indians here would suffer. They wouldn't get some good music to hear, and we as artists would also be, deprived of coming to such places and getting the kind of love that we do. So I think that's something we should work on. The markets are going to open up. In turn, some good music will also be produced. It's like a vicious circle.
Okay, so before we go, are you going to give us one beautiful song?
ठीक है ठीक ठीक सब कुछ ठीक है पास है सब कुछ रब नजदीक है रब के हजूर में कसमें दिखा ली दुनिया की आई कोई रस्में निभा ली फिर भी न माने कोई तो दफा कर माने जो माने ना माने तो भला कर दुनिया न मर जानी वे खुश मर जाए मर जानी 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 वे खुश मर खाए मर जानी. ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? Removido cielo que ahora no te encontré. Llega hoy tan de repente, da sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer. No desvíe la mirada, quédate cerca de mí. मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेनोरिटा, चाहते तो पर भी मिल पाए. हाँ दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल तो आओ खो जाए. भूले हम होता गम है क्या, सुनो ना सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.